Alright boys, let's get a cold start on her. She's loud today. Anyhow, we are about to head over to Merrittville and see what's up over there. But yeah, we're gonna go jump in the car. I guarantee you guys can't hear me, so we'll film another intro. We'll be back. Alright boys and girls, we're back. It's the next day. We're going to another meet up at Merrittville. Good little classic car show. Oh, send everything flying. We're gonna take some pictures, hang out. Maybe a few of my buddies will pull up, we'll see. But we're gonna get on the road. Fortunately, it's not too far away. It's the only reason I'm going. But yeah, we're gonna hop to it, so I'll be back, guys. Busy day today. Nice shiny vet. Put out of the way. Nice RT over there. The whole power section. Oh, this guy. This one's pretty sick. Beautiful. Superman Charger. That's pretty funny. Ford Lightning. That's pretty rare. I don't think I've ever seen any of these before. It's pretty sick. It's like a pinky 5.0. This thing's pretty cool. Weird color. I've never seen anything like it. Mach 1 over that. Cobra.
That is music from Leonard Skinner and Give Me Three Steps on your Saturday at Driven Dreams. And welcome to those who just showed up. I'm going to go through this list once again. Okay, we got vendors who would love to have you stop by and say hey and yeah. Okay.
Tractor?
They don't have my size though. I need an XLT. That's an extra large tent. No, sorry, just yeah, okay, I get it. Embroidered Creative Gifts is out there for you today. Shoot Schoolhouse Creations. Many thanks for coming down. Yeah. That's the Willa Ross Foundation is here. They're set up right in front of the trailer here.
This one's beautiful.
Come on down. They've got $2 prize, $2 tickets on a very special prize as well that you can promote as well.
Guys,
you can check them off the list. 3934. Check your tickets, everybody, because yeah, we're here till about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then there's going to be a lot to do. A lot to do. Okay, 3934. First number. 3797. 7536. 3956. 3925. 3945. 3914.
This sounds beautiful.
7761. 3867. 7768.
Charger.
The 3788. 582. The 3796. The 3912. 7546.
This one's beautiful.
7537.
Take a picture of this
37.
one.
The 3853.
More beauty
The
over here. Monte Carlo.
7765. The 3779.
Oh, shit.
And 3950.
Whoa.
And there you have it for the
Look
time
at this
being.
Ford Flags.
Let's get into some more music.
Damn. Wonder whose that is. It might be me. Let's keep going around. Beautiful thing. Nice color. If it goes, there we go. More over here. Work our way down the line. Trying to get everybody. This one's nice. Picture of this one. Lots of cool cars around here today. We might lose audio here, but it's the sound. This is a beautiful Stang. It's a Celine Mustang. Yeah. Not something you see every day. My dad had a Celine S281. So it would have been the same engine as this, but different body and everything. This was in 1999. This looks to be like, I don't know, 2010s, 2000s. I want to say 2010 or 2009. Either way, it's just beautiful. Look at this thing, guys. Pontiac. He's a beauty. There's so many freaking cool cars today. I'm glad it came out. I was thinking about not doing anything today, but you know what? I'm very glad it came out. It is very interesting today. I'm very happy it came out. This truck is crazy looking. Kind of nice being able to just film, not have to sit and think about anything. Not gonna be interrupted, nothing, just film. Damn. Like a setup. He's a beauty too. Follow this guy on Instagram. Roche Mustang. Not something you see every day. This one's beautiful too. You have to get a picture of this one. So many cool things here today. I haven't seen before. This one too. Check out this crazy looking thing. It's a Honda Civic. 1996. I've never seen anything like it in my life. It's crazy looking. And we got more classic beauties over here. It's like endless. This is row after row after row after row. Now it's sick. Got the bed. All in here. Is that 28? This is not a giant cover, this is not right. That's crazy looking if that is. Whew, I need a picture of this guy. Oh, that's wild. Look at this guy. This one's got some beautiful paint on it. Whew. grow, unfortunately. I mean, we'll keep poking around. Another Gran Torino. I love Gran Torinos. That'd be a dream car. So many bikes. Court. Nice. Pristine GT. Oh, this one's pretty. Picture that one. It's cool. Volkswagen. Alright. Question mark. This Camaro is just beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna keep walking around and finding cool things to shoot now that we're all through everything.
Okay, every day here.
Better
Representative came up, and many thanks for coming in and joining us. Okay, so that's the Green Knights Military Motorcycle Club on a poker run. And I have an Instagram address as well if you want to look up more information. Okay, it's GKMMC71. 3972.
Over here.
7546. 7537.
That's pretty sick.
7793.
Beauty.
Next row.
There's
3959. 3853. Number 7765. And that recaps the list for you. I'll give that back to Xander so you can check off there. And we'll go on to more music. Ladies and gents, Merrittville Eats is open. Told you all about the balance that you get when you purchase some food.
Look at this puppy. This one's got to be my favorite car of the show. I don't think much can top this one. This is so beautiful. I love it. And I think that's just about it. We've looked through everything, photographed everything I'd like to take photos of, and we're about ready to get out of here. Alright guys, we're heading out of the meet. We've seen it all. We've taken lots of photographs. And I'm going to go take some shots of the car. We won't end the episode here, but I don't know, maybe I'll record that. But we'll be back, guys.